a bright star that is shining in the sky of real estate. A star which is twinkling to make its customers happy. A star which is spreading goodness of trust and determination all around. And that star is Krish Group. Krish Group has emerged as one of the fastest emerging real estate conglomerate, promoted and nurtured by one of the most reputed and valuable business house of Rajasthan. The promoters of Krish Group have the backing of vast experience and value in various fields of business. The group directors have long standing in the market and are held in high esteem for their commitments. What differentiates Krish Group from other developers is that the promoters of Krish Group involve hardcore finance professionals and masters of trade, thus making it a rare combination of business and profession. The group's promoters envisioned the scope in the real estate sector and sowed the seeds of quality for the company to create niche in the marketplace. Krish Group today is a known name for high-quality construction using state-of-the-art techniques and top-quality materials, innovative design, well-planned amenities, and prime locations of its commercial and shopping centers and residential complexes in Bhiwadi. This results in the cost-effective and holistic solutions specific to contemporary standards for residential complexes and business centers. The group has already constructed approximately 9.4 lakh square feet of residential and commercial spaces. The company's top management is sensitive towards understanding the client's requirement, and with its unparalleled business approach and vision is consistently working to create value for its customer and business partners. Krish Group is uniquely committed to serving our clients. We place the financial safety, comfort and success of our investors second to none. They enjoy direct access to our promoters and our management team. Our group, founded on establishing trust and long-term relationship, hopes to maintain the same till eternity. Passion for quality is the foundation of Krish Group, which has paved the path of growth for the group. Our values are quality, integrity, customer and product value, sensitivity to customer and supplier issues, uncompromising brand value. Our vision statement: we shall make all our efforts to lead as a benchmark real estate group, creating environment-friendly, affordable human habitation and commercial projects in line with industry trends and customer needs. Our mission statement: our mission is to be technology-oriented, time-bound and innovation-led project company ensuring highest standards of service. We shall maintain integrity and deliver products of highest standards in time-bound manner. Our quality philosophy: we are committed towards following the building and material, environmental and safety guidelines set by the government and to give our customers satisfaction beyond value for money. Further, we are committed to deliver uncompromising quality and affordable products coupled with caring attitude to achieve the highest level of customer satisfaction. Krish Group has earned the trust of innumerable customers by giving them the very best at a most reasonable price. The prime objective of our projects is to provide best specifications at the most affordable price. Krish Group Chairman Mr. S.K. Singhal is determined to take the group towards new heights. According to Mr. Singhal, we are poised to take Krish Group on the new horizon of real estate where customers can put their hard-earned money with trust. We wish to give value for money in each project. We want to make Krish Group such a group that other developers must refer our name, our project for planning, designing, construction and timely possession. With our initial projects, we have already surprised the industry with our planning and pace, and today we see towards future horizons. The group's managing director, Mr. Sunil Agrawal, with his strong passion and determination, is committed to group's goals and objectives. According to Mr. Sunil Agrawal, Krish Group is committed to give best facilities at the most affordable price. We want to make our affordability our USP. We also want to make people understand that affordability does not mean compromise on quality. Krish Group today stands for quality construction, and we will keep our focus on quality and satisfaction of customers. Project Profile. Krish Group has stepped into the real estate market in Bhiwadi, the most happening place beyond the NCR region Bhiwadi. Presently, most of the projects of Krish Group are located in Bhiwadi at premium locations. Bhiwadi is the fastest growing industrial town on the outskirts of Metro City, Delhi. The prime industrial town of NCR and Rajasthan, Bhiwadi comprises of 3 industrial areas, namely Bhiwadi, Chaupanki and Khushkheda. Bhiwadi is spread over approximately 5,300 acres, and at present around 1,000 industries are operational. Some very big industries like Honda CL Small Car Plant, Honda Scooters, Shree Cement Limited, Lafarge and some other big business houses have already become a part of this industrial cluster. Bhiwadi is the future point for residential, commercial and industrial purposes, as it is conveniently located from the capital city Delhi, IT hub Gurgaon and industrial areas like Manesar, Dharuhera, Bawal and Neemrana. Our projects. Krish Group has changed the profile of Bhiwadi while it has kept its feet firmly entrenched in the city and brought out several world-class lifestyle projects in Bhiwadi. Krish Vatika. The journey of KIPL has started with the inspired projection of Krish Vatika, a modern and fully integrated residential apartment. Krish Vatika was envisioned as an aspiration to give a completely new direction to the living standards of people of Bhiwadi, with our punchline, "You see a dream, we build it." Krish Vatika call it Green Ideas for Lifestyle. Bhiwadi's largest and the most beautiful landscape garden is there for you and your beloved family. It is just one of the hundreds features that we are actually offering and delivering at Krish Vatika Phase 1 and 2. We offer very spacious, luxurious, multi-story apartments fully integrated with modern amenities and lifestyle features. Recreation facilities provided in the Krish Vatika are unique and most ideal, such as indoor badminton hall, billiards and TT room, sauna and steam bath, jacuzzi, swimming pool and much more. Tranquility and peace of mind come with our every home at Krish Vatika. Krish Mall. The journey of Krish Group has touched a new milestone with the launch of Krish Mall with a solid punchline. It makes a perfect business sense. Krish Mall is first approved commercial complex of the region, located in the heart of third largest industrial hub of the country, Bhiwadi, where business activities are at their prime. Krish Mall offers showrooms, food court, restaurant, shops, studio apartments, offices and service apartments and much more. It offers ample open space, adequate parking space, power backup, and several other modern amenities, which make Krish Mall a next-generation commercial and retail destination. Therefore, Krish Mall is more than a perfect business destination. It's an investment destination. Krish City. When we say Krish City, the right choice, we literally mean it. Krish City is all about dream. It's all about passion. It's all about mission. The dream behind Krish City is to provide modern and comfortable living atmosphere at the most affordable cost. The passion is to give best quality at the most affordable cost. The mission is to create a brand value in the mindset of our customers. Beyond basic amenities, Krish City also provides school, commercial center, parks, etc. to its residents. This kind of living at such an attractive cost makes Krish City the right choice. Krish City is an integrated modern township which includes multi-storied group housing apartments, G+2 executive floors, ground+2 executive floors, and duplex villas in a very planned manner. Krish City has all what a modern life needs, like dispensary, school, commercial center, banks, park. Set amidst a pollution-free environment, Krish City has a network of very wide internal roads, covered drainage system, street lights, two-tier security system, community hall. That is why we say Krish City, the right choice. The Krish City 2 is an address you always awaited. Designed on Excel concept, it spells a world that is far ahead in space utilizations, wrapped in features that are truly world-class and an unspoiled environment to lead an enviable living. Far from the urban life, yet in the heart of the most happening city, Bhiwadi. Krish City Phase 2 is the most affordable home with such facilities in Bhiwadi. With every fine day, Krish City is touching new milestones, reaching new heights. Within the little stint of few years in real estate, Krish Group has changed something beyond skylines. They have changed the customer's attitude and perception towards quality, timeliness,